In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell Notion templates on Gumroad swiftly and effectively. Whether you're an avid Notion user or just starting out, selling templates can be an excellent way to share your creations and earn some income. Let's walk through the process together. First things first, make sure you're logged into Notion. Once you're in, it's time to channel your creativity into building a unique and functional template. Think of specific purposes that could benefit from a template, like a budget tracker or a student dashboard. The aim here is to create something both unique and useful for a potential user. Now, let's add some personal flair to your template. Include an icon, a cover image, and a catchy title. Remember, the more polished and visually appealing your template is, the higher the chance it will attract potential buyers. Once your template is ready, navigate to the Share options in Notion. Click Share and then Publish to Web to get a shareable link for your template. It's crucial that under the sharing settings, you enable the Allow Duplicate as Template option. This setting ensures that once a customer purchases your template, they can make a copy for personal use. Next, let's move over to Gumroad. Log into your dashboard and click on New Product. Here, you'll want to select Digital Product and set an appropriate price point for your template. Don't undervalue your work. Consider what would be a fair price for the time and effort you put into creating it. When choosing how to deliver your product, you have a couple of options. You can either redirect your customer to the Notion link after their purchase by pasting the shareable link you created, or you can upload the template file directly through Gumroad. Both methods work well, so choose the one that best fits your workflow. To effectively market your template, you'll need a compelling description that highlights its features and benefits. This description is crucial, as it helps potential buyers understand what they are getting and why it's valuable. Accompany your description with high-quality cover photos and a thumbnail to make your product visually appealing. Also, it's a good idea to customize the text on the call to action button. This might seem like a small detail, but it can make your product stand out even more. Finally, head over to the Share tab in your Gumroad dashboard. Select the most appropriate category for your product and add specific tags. These tags help users discover your template within the Gumroad marketplace. So make sure they're relevant and accurate. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully selling Notion templates on Gumroad. Remember, the key is to create something valuable, present it professionally, and share it effectively. So take your time and have fun with the process.